Ladies and gentlemen, before we continue game number 7, we would like to call on the following and center court for this presentation. PBA Commissioner Willie Marshall, PBA Chairman and Team Governor of the TNT Tropang 5G, Mr. Ricky Vargas, Team Governor of the NLEX Road Warriors, Mr. Ronald Dolatre, Team Governor of the San Miguel Beermen, Mr. Robert Non, Team Governor of the Magnolia Chicken Templados Hot Shots, Mr. Jason Webb, Team Governor of the Phoenix Super LPG Fuel Masters, Attorney Raymond Zorilla, Team Governor of the Terra Firma Jeep, Mr. Pido Harencio, and General Manager of PBA Properties, Mr. Eric Arejola, to present this trophy. Mga ka-PBA, we are proud to welcome the champions of the FIBA U18 Asia Cup Siyaba qualifiers who defeated the host Thailand with a score of 85-70. Palakpakan natin ang Gilas Pilipinas Youth! Presenting their players, Ethan Aguas, JB Kagurungan, Prince Carino, Andrew Chio, Zip Espinas, Chok Moral, Patrick Pasinos, Hans Patagok, Luis Razon, Kyle Sardon, Joaquin Tobera, and Bruce Tubong Banwa. Together with their head coach, Juno Soler, assistant coaches, Andre Santos, Monch Gabieres, Tony Boy Espinosa, together with their team consultant, L.A. Tenorio, their team manager and program director, Mr. Al Francis Chua, being joined by the Vice President of Samahang Basketball ng Pilipinas, Mr. Robert Uy, together with the Executive Director of the Samahang Basketball ng Pilipinas, Miss Erica D.
Again, a huge congratulations to Gilas Pilipinas, under-18 men lording it over the FIBA Under-18 Asia Cup Siyaba qualifiers, undefeated in their run, taking care of business in the finals against the home team Thailand.